Mr. Speaker, the Prime Minister personally signed off on $220,000 in moving expenses for his own political staff.
Wow.
The chief responsibility of the Prime Minister is to be honest and forthright with Canadians in this House. There are no ifs, ands, or buts about these expenses. They are wrong. I ask the Prime Minister will be honest with Canadians and rise today and tell us which of his friends received these outrageous payouts.
The Honourable Government House Leader.
Thank you for the question, Mr. Speaker, and I am proud to stand in this House and to share with Canadians that we built a diverse team of passionate, hardworking, extremely qualified Canadians to deliver the change people voted for. Many people moved across this country with their families and children to serve in Ottawa. As part of this process, some employees received help in relocating. There have been rules in place on relocation of public servants and political staff since the 1970s. In fact, the current rules for relocation have been in place since 2008 and have applied to every minister's office since. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Member for Red Deer Lacombe.
Well, Mr. Speaker, the Prime Minister personally approved over $126,000 in moving expenses for one senior aide in the PMO. Now, I'm not sure what you can move for $126,000, but I imagine it's very fragile. People in Alberta are struggling and losing their homes, savings, and livelihoods, but this Prime Minister is more concerned with making sure his friends are compensated. How can the Prime Minister justify to struggling Albertans this absolutely ridiculous waste of money?
Honourable Government House Leader.
Again, thank you for the question, Mr. Speaker, and providing me the opportunity to share with Canadians that the party opposite should know what the current guidelines for relocation are, given they wrote them. Tens of thousands of Canadians applied to be part of the team of the mandate that this government was going to advance. We are proud of the diverse team of passionate, hardworking, extremely qualified Canadians that we hired to deliver the change that people voted for. Canadians expect public resources to be used responsibly and economically, and we are committed to living up to these expectations. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.